Hello, I'm Uganda. I want everyone to be included in Ireland, and I'd like everyone to be able to communicate with each other as well. Lamhalingo gives you an archive of different signs from three different categories. Those categories are the alphabet, colors, and basic greetings. And it also contains student teacher software that you can use when learning in class as well.
The digital divide impacts a lot of people, and especially when you don't have it cuts access to opportunities, it cuts access to learning. So it's very hard sometimes to push past it without support. So we definitely tried our hardest to push past the digital divide.
Everybody has potential. Everybody is good at something. Sometimes you just don't know what it is, or you don't know how to go about it and stuff like that. And I think it's important that you can have a mentor there to sort of guide you in the right way.
Well, I've been able to apply the mentality of keep on working and persevering no matter what into my life now, and it's all thanks to just trying to make an app but having no idea how, and then just trying to get through it no matter what, and just create Lamhalingo. I'd like Ireland to be really, really inclusive in the future. And I guess because I'm making this app on Irish Sign Language, it's kind of me trying to take that first step in trying to make everything in Ireland inclusive.